Okay, now that we are going into hydraulics, one of the first things I'm going to have you do is a quick, and it won't take long today, simulation on pressure and water and how things are related to each other. So you're going to go to a lab simulation that's called Under Pressure, and I would, let's see here. Oh, mine opened up right away. But if yours happens to not open up right away, there's a download option and then there's a play option. Hit the play option. I've noticed that works a whole lot better for people. And so you're going to go ahead and do a task. So you're going, it tells you to above the spigot, move the sliding bar here. So we're going to fill this guy up. And you can click and drag the pressure gauge over. Whoops. So this guy moves, and he can do different pressure readings depending on where you're at. You can have a ruler. The ruler moves throughout this. This will be helpful for other points in time, especially when you're down in here and you're taking a look at how the pressure might be different in various corners. Looks to me like this one is a little different than the last one. And you can create and put weights and things of that nature and check that stuff. You can play around with that and answer the questions. There's question number 1 here after that simulation. So write a statement about the relationship between pressure and the depth in a fluid. And then you're going to go to part 2. Part 2 is, oops, wrong one, sorry. Part 2 is, this one is different. I'm going to have to get you a link for that because that's not what it looks like. It looks like, let me show you here. So I'm going to copy this link. I'll put it in the slide deck there. You should be able to go back and forth between these. Alright, so now that one that we did was pressure up here, and then there's a flow button. So this is what you need for the second one. And you can create all sorts of things for, and again, you can pull this down and check speed. You can check pressure. You can do the ruler and move that around. You're going to need that for various questions. You can also change the fluid density at any point in time if you want to. You can go as low as in density as gasoline or up as high as thick as honey. So go ahead and play around with that and then answer the rest of your questions. It asks you to measure the diameter. I've got some pictures here too to kind of show you. And then it's got a conclusion question at the end and another one there. Okay. Once you get done with that, go ahead and submit the slide deck and have a fantastic day.